All right, we're excited to open up the box. We actually got this sent to us to test out. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description for this actual chainsaw if you're interested. But it's a 4-inch chainsaw, so it's like a mini chainsaw. You guys love mini chainsaws, right?
Yeah.
All right, so it comes, ooh, looks like the chain is already on.
New chain. We got tools.
And we got a new chain. We got some tools. And we got, oh, 2 batteries. That's awesome. So it looks like it's a 21-volt system. And then, yeah, here's, oh, it's rechargeable, so we can just charge it up. All right, you want to throw a battery in and see how it works?
Yeah.
So you just slide her in there. And then there's the safety and the trigger. Give her a pull. Oh, look, it's got a light on it. Pull the trigger.
Where?
Pull the trigger.
Oh.
Oh yeah, right there. That is nice.
Oh, that is sweet.
All right, I say we test it out a little bit in the backyard, and then, ooh, we can test it up north, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And see how it really does.
Yeah.
All right. All right, so this thing is probably best for cutting small branches and stuff. I also did notice this does go up and down, which is kind of nice when you're cutting. So you want to give it its first cut?
Yeah.
All right. Nice. How does it cut?
Good.
You want to give her a try?
Yeah.
All right, Pop, I know you can get another one out of here. Nice work. I say we take it up north and we really test it out. And we can see how it works on the trails and stuff.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, here we are up north. Let's go test out that chainsaw. Big one right here. Good cutting.
Thanks.
Let's head back home.
Yeah.
All right, we made it back from up north. We had fun using this little chainsaw here. So I think my favorite parts about this is that you get this nice case, so it keeps everything nice and organized. And also that it has 2 batteries, which is nice to have as well. So it's literally a chainsaw you can put in the back of your backpack. You know, we use it up north clearing some trails. So, you know, going to your hunting stand or whatever, it'd be nice to have. What was your guys' favorite part about it?
I like using it.
So yeah, little guys were able to use it. What did you like about it?
I like chainsaw.
You like chainsaw too, and so it's really versatile. It's a versatile little chainsaw. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these, I'll leave a link in the description below. So
thanks for watching.